Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're looking to customize your countdown timer for each of your website visitors, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to set the countdown bar for each specific user using Common Ninja's editor. First, open your Common Ninja editor. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up at commonninja.com. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the content section. By default, the timer type will be set to countdown to date. This is perfect if you want a universal countdown for all visitors. But for today's tutorial, we want to customize the timer for each user. Click on the drop-down menu and select Countdown Time per Visitor. This option allows you to set a unique countdown timer based on when each visitor arrives at your site. Now, choose the amount of hours you want each visitor to see. For example, if you want each visitor to see a 24-hour countdown regardless of when they arrive, simply set it to 24 hours. You can adjust this to any duration that fits your needs, whether it's a few hours, a day, or even a week. Make sure to save your changes once you're done. You can preview how the countdown will look and make further adjustments if needed. And that's all there is to it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.